This video is the sixth part of Basic English for Beginners. If you want to see first 5 parts, you will find the link in the description box. In this video you will learn about the pronoun and kinds of pronoun. Welcome to my channel. My name is Musfirah. If you want to learn English from beginning in a simple way, then make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get started. Pronoun. The word that can be used in place of noun, for example, he, she, book, school, etc. Kinds of pronoun. Personal pronoun. A personal pronoun is used for the name of a person. Cases of personal pronoun. Nominative case. The nominative case is used when the pronoun is the subject of the sentence. The nominative form pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we/they. For example, she was quiet as she entered the museum. In this sentence, she is the nominative case. Objective case. A pronoun that is in the objective case is used as the direct object, indirect object, or the object of the preposition. The objective form pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, and them. For example, I was so thrilled that I gave her a big hug. In this sentence, her is the objective case. Possessive case. A pronoun that is in the possessive case is used to show ownership or possession of something. The possessive form pronouns are my, mine, ours, his, her, s, their, its, and yours. My car wouldn't start because I left the headlights on. In this sentence, my is the possessive case. Reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Reflexive pronouns serve as the object of a transitive verb when the object is the same person or thing as the subject, e.g., I believe in myself. Emphatic pronouns, also called intensive pronouns, are used in combination with another noun or pronoun to place special emphasis on it. I myself wrote the code. Demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun used to point to specific people or things. For example, imagine there was a chair right next to you and a chair across the room from you. When talking about the chair nearer to you, you would say this is a chair. When talking about the chair far away from you, you would point to it and say that is a chair. In these sentences, the words this and that are demonstrative pronouns. Distributive pronoun. When the pronoun is used in a way to refer to or acknowledge more than one thing or person, although not collectively but individually, it is called a distributive pronoun. Neither, every, either, and each is some of its examples that are always followed by singular verbs. Indefinite pronoun. A pronoun that does not refer to any particular person or thing, for example, anybody, everyone, or anything, etc. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is a pronoun used to introduce a relative clause, a clause that gives further information about the preceding noun or noun phrase. For example, the ball that I threw. The most commonly used relative pronouns in English are which, that, who, and whom. Interrogative pronoun. The definition of an interrogative pronoun is a pronoun that is used as a subject in a question. An example of an interrogative pronoun being used in a question is, "Who is coming to my house tomorrow?" Interrogative pronouns should not be confused with relative pronouns, although they have many overlapping examples. Exclamatory pronoun. Exclamatory pronouns, the pronouns that are used as an exclamation to express sudden emotion, are called the exclamatory pronouns. In the following sentences, the word "what" with the exclamation mark has been used as an exclamatory pronoun. Examples: What? Have you met our principal? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next.